Everyone, my name is Arvan J. Urungan, and tonight I will gonna show you on how to solve this rational equation. So the given is 5 over 12 minus 3 over 6 is equal to x over 9. So find the LCD. So the LCD of this given is 36 because mamumultiply ito gamit ang 36 or ma-divide ito. So 12 times 3 is equal to 36, and 6 times 6 is equal to 36, and 9 times 4 is equal to 36. So i-divide natin ito yung mga denominator gamit ang 36. So 36 divide 12 is 3. So 3 times 5 is 15. Minus, ito na naman, 36 divide 6 is equal to 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Is equal to 36 divide 9 is 4. 4 times 6 is 4x. Isa-subtract natin ito. Ito yung 15 minus 18. So, negative 3 is equal to 4x. And then, divide both sides by 4. Cancel out. At ang natitira ay x is equal to negative 3 over 4. At ito na yung sagot. At yun lang po. Maraming salamat po. At hopefully marami kayong natutunan sa gabing ito. At thank you po. God bless.